Welcome to this technical guide on the Thermomix 21. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Thermomix 21 isn't heating properly, it can be quite frustrating. This issue typically arises due to a faulty clutch or solenoid, which are crucial for the heating mechanism. If left unaddressed, this problem can lead to further damage, making the repair more complicated and costly. To fix this, you will need a screwdriver set, replacement clutch and solenoid parts, a pair of pliers, and a clean workspace. First, ensure your Thermomix is unplugged to avoid any electrical hazards. Carefully turn the device upside down and use a screwdriver to remove the screws from the base. Keep track of the screws and make sure to place them in a container to avoid losing them. Once you have removed the base, you should be able to see the internal components. The faulty clutch and solenoid are usually located near the heating element. You may need to disconnect a few cables to access them safely, so take a moment to note where each cable is connected. When you locate the faulty component, use your pliers to gently disconnect it. Be cautious not to damage any surrounding parts. Once it's disconnected, take the new clutch and solenoid and connect them in the same way the old ones were attached. Ensure everything is secure, but be careful not to over-tighten, as this could damage the components. After replacing the faulty parts, reconnect any cables you previously disconnected, ensuring they are firmly attached. Now, it's time to reassemble your Thermomix. Carefully place the base back on and align it with the screw holes. Replace the screws one by one, ensuring they are tightened securely. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Finally, plug your Thermomix back in and test the heating function to confirm that the issue has been resolved. To prevent this problem from occurring in the future, it's advisable to regularly check and maintain your device. Keep the internal components clean and avoid overloading the Thermomix during use. Always follow the manufacturer's guidelines for usage to ensure longevity. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.